How to enable multiple audio sources on Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you enable multiple audio sources on your Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open device setting on your device. So simply open this setting. Alright, so now from here tap on sound and vibration. Okay, so from the sound and vibration section, you'll get options like sound assistant. So right now I'm not getting that option. So if you are getting that option, you'll have to go that option. And now after you open the sound assistant, in that section, you'll be able to find the options like multiple audio sources. So from there, you can easily turn that feature. So after you turn that feature, it will not adjust media volume while incoming other notification or while your phone is playing other sources media on your phone. So this is the easiest and simplest way to enable multiple audio sources on Android phone. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.